Konnichiwa, Junguru Dojo family. Today we're going to go over Mae Geri, or just our basic front kick. Okay, to start out, of course we'll go to Musubi, go to Yoi. For this one, especially for beginners, we usually cross and do our double down block, hands in nice tight fists as we double down block. This only thing this is for is for balance, okay? So when we start learning these kicks, a lot of times, we don't have a lot of body awareness and stuff like that. So we want to have our hands up to the side. That way it just kind of helps us keep our balance and keep our body straight up and down. Okay, so we're going to start with the double down block. We're going to start with our left leg Mae Geri, or front kick. Okay, to start, when we chamber our leg, that's our first step as we chamber. My foot is flexed completely up. I'm not pointing that toe, okay? That'll be very bad news. If we kick straight up like that, break the top of our foot, get caught on something. So we always want to chamber that knee nice and high, straight in front of our body, and have that foot flexed straight up in the air, okay? Do not point the toe. Okay, from the side, straight up, nice and tight to the body. You don't want to have it out. You want to have it as tight as possible, and that foot is flexed straight up, okay? Second step in the kick after we chamber and flex that foot up is we extend, we point the foot, pull the toes back. Okay, so after we chamber, we point the foot, pulling the toes back. We don't want to point the toes, we're going to break our toes. We don't want to kick flat-footed, that's giving up a lot of space that we have to throw that kick. Plus, when we kick with the ball of the foot, we're doing more pounds per square inch. Just like when we punch with the first two knuckles, we don't punch with the whole fist because you want to generate all the energy into just a square inch. So the same thing, kicking with the ball of the foot. I want to point the foot, pull the toes back, then I recoil, flexing the foot up once more, and then placing down on the floor, okay? So flexing the foot up, extend, point the foot, pull the toes, recoil, flexing the foot up. Don't recoil with that foot down, recoil with it up, and then we place it back down on the ground, okay? Making sure each time we throw this kick that we come back to a good yoi stance, which is about shoulder width apart, okay? So we chamber, we extend, we recoil, and then we place down. And we can go back and forth, left and right, slow motion, working on that balance. Then of course, we can get into our fast kick with our ki. Trying to keep the body still and just move that one leg at a time rather than moving the whole body. Try to keep your body still. Move that one leg that's snap kicking only. Os. So 4 steps: chamber, extend, recoil, and place. All 4 steps have to happen for a proper Mae Geri. Os.